this review gonna be real short. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all that this hair review gonna be real short. This is some bull crap, y'all. Look. I don't even. Oh Lord, like I only wore it one time, y'all. We only wore this unit one time, and check. Look at that. Look at that. That don't make no sense. Somebody need their butt whooped. Somebody need their butt whooped. Girl, when you see this, just go on, walk on by. Just go on, walk on by. Don't even. Now, because soon as you put it up in your head, Lord, the tangles is gonna whoop your butt. Like, I can't make this up. I can't. Well, look, this is a new unit. This is a new unit. And Lord, the naps look like they was bred from Gunther. Look, I'ma just show y'all what she look like. Cause she cute. She real cute. And who? She come with this elastic band back here. And she also comes with 2 clamps. One at the bottom. Yeah, one big one at the bottom. And then we got 2 claps at the top. And then she open in the center. You see, that's for breathability, which I like that. You know, the construction of it, tell you the good things about it. The construction of it is actually really, really good. It's just the quality of the hair.
The quality of the hair is trizzy trash.
Okay? So you know when you going out to get this, that you only gonna get one good wear out of it. One. You gonna get one good wear out, and you ain't gonna even get the whole one good wear out of it. You gonna get like 3 hours of good wear before that neck part starts snapping up and getting caught on everything.
Your necklaces, your earrings, your shirt collar, your seat belt, everything.
Okay, you gonna walk by something in the back of this is gonna get caught on it because and this is the half wig part, y'all. I ain't even got to the ponytail part. This just the base of it. Okay?
Look at that. Look. She ain't even got no curls no more at the bottom, y'all.
But I'm finna show y'all what she look like in a half wig state now. Cause see, when I took it out the bag, I was confused about this little short piece right here. See this little short piece? I guess they was trying to give you girls some layers so when you put it in as a half wig, you can have some layers to frame your face. But I wasn't expecting these little short pieces. That threw me off. Okay? That threw me all the way off. Cause this is my second unit. Now the first one I bought, we ain't had these type of problems, probably because it was a different texture. So I just put on a little stocking cap, y'all. You see it's all pointy in the back with my hat. We're gonna just ignore all of that and pretend like my hat flat. Okay, because when I'm done with this, I'm gonna show you how it looks with the half up, half down style. This is for demonstration purposes. You gonna throw this bad boy on?
That's it. Don't walk out the house with this on your head like this, with this part right here.
We're gonna try to camouflage her or something. Like if your hair's straight, it might be a little easier for you to do some camouflaging. Ooh, chop. Baby girl, I'm not going nowhere like this.
Oh, okay, wait. Let's pull it up. Let's do something.
Let's see. Okay, let me see. I ain't even got enough edges out, y'all. Ooh, look at my nails. They look like I've been punching on concrete, y'all. Ooh. I mean,
you know what I'm saying? Like, I would wear my hair like this, but not this point.
Let me go get a headband. Hold on. So, we got a headband. Let's see what she do. Let's see if this headband, you know what I'm saying? If we can rock it like a little throw it on, quick out the door headband thing. Okay, that's not bad, y'all. That's not bad, but she nappy as hell in the back. Child, I am highly disappointed. Look at that right there. Ooh, you talking about plastic. Baby. Okay, but this is what she looked like. This is what she looked like, y'all. With a little headband on her. Where am I going with this? Where we going? Somebody gonna be talking about me taking pictures of me from behind because this wig's so nappy. All right, so now what we're gonna do is take this down and then we're going to see what it looks like. Oh Lord, I look like Cleo. I look like Cleo ever said it over. She would ride down that thing like throwing up some stuff. What's that song they was singing? Dang, I can't remember the song. Dang it, leave me a comment down below. Don't I look like Cleo? I was set it off, child. You child. Alright, so now we gonna do is put her in a good old halfway. I already got my hair prepped. Okay, parted in half. And then I got my Cleo Sealy braids in the back, y'all. So since this is just for demonstration purposes, we're gonna use just a little conditioner to slick it back. Alright, so I'm just gonna kind of, you know, just throw it up. We're gonna see just what it look like. You know what I'm saying? Add a couple rubber bands to her. Alright, if you got your ponytail, you want to twist or braid up the ends of your hair. If your hair is longer and you using a wrap ponytail, you want to try to make it as small as possible, because if not, you're going to end up with this big old hump at the top of your ponytail, child, and that ain't what we want. So try to make it as little as possible, honey. See how she's sticking up like a cone? I want her to be a little flatter, but that's where we at. We're just going to take the back and just pin her up. And then we take the back piece, okay, and we're just going to insert the combs up top and insert the combs down below. But this hair's so nappy, I can't even get the drawstring part. Don't tighten it all the way up just yet, okay? All right, and then you're going to take some bobby pins, pin the sides down. Do a better job than that. Just do a better job. This hair got my nerves bad. And then pin the other side down. Now you want to pin it down before you finish tightening it. That way you have the sides of your hair covered. All right.
We don't need no wind blowing and our hair sticking up.
Okay, and then you just go back through and finish tightening it up the rest of the way, y'all. So this is what the back side only looks like. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, I think that's pretty. All right, so now this is what, y'all, I still got the bobby pins in there from when I just snatched it off my head. All right, so let me comb it out, y'all. She ain't as bad as the other part. Ooh. But she get nappy too, child. She go through stuff too. Okay, so when you get it, you're gonna get like a side clamp, a middle clamp, and then you're going to get like an elastic part. And this part right here is the part that you use to wrap around your ponytail, so you know it can look all seamless and stuff. And then this part is like a whole little cap part, okay? So you guys can get a good look at what it looks like. All right, and they say that you can wear this as a ponytail if you just kind of want to wrap it around your natural ponytail, which I think this is the best part of the entire style, is the ponytail.
They make it seem like the ponytail is easy to put on, sis, but you gotta do a little finesse.
Okay, because the bobby pins do not go through this. So like your traditional ponytail where you would wrap it around and stick the bobby pin through it to secure it, it don't go through it. And these little things right here, this trash. These right here, they trash. First, what they say to add more security and fullness to the top is that you want to take a piece of the back part and then add it to your ponytail, okay? And that's going to add a little bit more fullness to the back, right?
Hey, I don't do that. Because it be too difficult sometimes. So I'm going to leave that down. I'm going to leave that down because my nerves going to get bad. And when I tried to do it the first time like that, it was a struggle.
So we're going to just wrap this ponytail around it, okay? But if you want more fullness, that's what you can do. All right, so we need to make this ball a little smaller.
Yeah, I'm a ball on cricket.
Okay, so we're going to sit this in front. Now, you notice like this whole part right here, this ain't nothing but cap. Okay, this ain't nothing but the cap part right here. So you want to kind of line it up. Take the little side piece right here and just stick her in there back there.
She ain't gonna stay. She ain't gonna stay.
Take this top piece, put it in there, and then you got your little wrap piece. See what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about? They make
You can just wrap it around. It'll be all
easy. No, it ain't. This is not beginner friendly. This is medium. You gotta know how to put on a ponytail before you can get this hair, okay? Whew, okay, I'm about to start sweating and stuff, y'all. All right, so now we got our little piece. We're gonna just leave her dangling right there. We're gonna get a couple more bobby pins.
Because, you might get into a fight. The wind might be blowing hard. Your dude might hug you wrong and you don't want none of this to come out.
All right, like I said, the bobby pins ain't gonna go through it. But we gotta use a little gangster grip. All right, I'm gonna stick one in now. All right, and then we're gonna take this and wrap it around the ponytail like shim, okay? Try not to grab the rest of the hat when you do it. Okay, now when I get to the front right here, I wanna go ahead and I'm gonna insert another bobby pin to secure that little flat piece, okay? You see how when you look at it, you can kind of see a little space? Well, if I would have added the hair from the back, that'll kind of add a little bit more fullness to the ponytail or whatever. So you can have the option to do that if you want to. All right, but I really just don't like the way the ponytail lays. I feel like it's always crooked, and then when the wind blows, child, the ponytail be all wop-sided and all of that stuff. Ooh, I'm sweating, y'all. I had to... A little edge control, yeah, I got a little edge control. This is color number 4. That's the only one they had. I put a little edge control on there for y'all, just so y'all can get a better potential. I just found some. I ain't had no gel. The Lord say, here go the edge control, baby. You need that. All right, we're gonna pretend like them edges on sleek. I think it's actually really cute and fun because you can also take this bad boy. Wait, I ain't do that right, y'all. Let me do that again. You can take this bad boy. You know what I'm saying? You can take this bad boy and toss her up into a little messy bun. You know what I'm saying? I think that's cute. She has potential, but that's all she stop at is potential, honey, because we ain't buying no more of these.
And don't go run to the beauty supply store. You see it in there, and you ready to go pick up UD number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sis, no.
I'm gonna rate this hair. I'm going to rate this hair. I'm gonna say a 52%, just because it actually, I think it's cute. That's it. That's all we stop with is at the cute potential. But don't go buy this hair. Don't go buy this hair. Don't waste your money. Don't waste your time. And if you go out and buy this hair, sis, I told you so. I told you so. I know y'all be thinking the YouTubers online be lying.
But I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
Don't waste your money on this hair unless you only want to wear it for about 3 hours. So I forgot to give my hair a heat test. So what we're going to do is give it a heat test to see how this hair actually holds up to heat. I think the bounce back quality when you flat iron it is good. Because you see, like, it's not as tangled and nappy and matted anymore at the bottom. I might have to change my little rating and bump it on up. It's still crunchy off up and through there. So let's give it the stiff test. Okay. So this is what I mean by stiff. How those ends stick out. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Stiff wear, sis. Stiff wear, sis. Stiff wear, sis. We stiff over here, sis. It ain't nothing else we can do for it. She already reverting back to her natural ways, honey. Okay, so I'm going to actually change my rating. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just because of the fact that you can actually flat iron this hair and it improves with the flat iron. Now, she gonna get back nappy as soon as you flat iron it, but it's not as frizzy and tangled as it was. I had to come back and give it a different shot and a different approach and give it a fair chance with the flat iron.
But she still plastic feeling. And she still feel like plastic when you flat iron it. And she shedding. Okay, she's shedding. But she does bounce back when you flat iron it. So that's something that you have to keep doing when you get this hair. And it does take heat well. I think the ends have improved greatly. Okay? On both sides. You see what I'm saying? The ends have improved greatly. But as far as her being something fluid and flowy, we not that, okay? Because the back side of it is quite stiff. So when you're letting it just flow in its natural state, you're going to have stiffness. So that's something you got to think about too. So we're not going to raise this up too much more. In my opinion, it still stay the same. Okay? It still stay the same. But I'm going to raise it a little bit higher. And say, I'm going to say 65%.
Okay? I'm going to say 65% is not a 70. I ain't going to give it a complete F. I'm going to give it a D. Like, fam, sis, I at least wanted. Look at this. Man, come on, fam. Like, for real, man. Y'all, I'm Florinda LaShay, and I'm out. Peace, love, and happiness. Bye-bye. Don't buy this house. Don't go buy this house. You still gonna go buy this house. When you go to the beauty supply store, you gonna see it and you still gonna go spend your money on it. And I just told you, don't go buy this house. Hard-headed.